Welcome back. Okay then, I promised colliders and we're going to get colliders today. Okay, so highlight skeleton move 0. Go to our inspector tab. Alright, actually let's close a lot of this stuff. There's a lot of stuff we don't want to see right now. Okay, close that and okay. We want to add a component, and in physics 2D we go to polygon collider 2D. Washam. Okay. If we look at this, we go to scene. Oh boy, we can zoom in, I believe. Oh yeah, we can definitely zoom in. Go to hierarchy, skeleton. You see that little green outline right there? All that green outline right there, that means those are the colliders. That is what will tell the game if it hit something there, it made contact with something else. Okay, what we want to do now is actually disable that. Well, actually, I'm going to show you something pretty interesting. We're going to set this skeleton too. See what happened there? The green outline does not match the current sprite. This would happen every time that we run a frame. Actually, it wouldn't even have a polygon collider. So what we have to do is we have to add a polygon collider individually to each sprite animation. So we add another polygon collider. Would you look at that? But now we can actually uncomment that one, and you can see that this one actually matches. Perfect. Now we want to go on to the next one. Okay, we select that one. This one, yet again, has no polygon collider. So we're going to add a polygon collider. Go back to physics 2D, polygon collider, bam, polygon collider matches that one perfectly. Awesome. We want to go to the fourth one, which is actually 3 because computer science. Alright, start at 0. Physics 2D, polygon collider. You can actually check something here. Collider info, that one has 31 vertices. This one has 40 vertices. Definitely a different one. Oh yeah, definitely. Okay, we got 3. Now we want this one. We want to add a component to that one too. Physics 2D. Yeah, this is a little tedious. I agree. Okay, matches that perfectly. Awesome. So we can even zoom in a little more so we can get a better view. That's not what I wanted to do. I wanted to actually drag this, zoom in a bit more, and whatever. Okay. Inspector. Okay. I believe that's the right one. Okay. So now we go on to the next one, and we want another physics 2D polygon collider. Okay, let's check that one off. Perfect. Yep. This will take a while. Okay. Component. Physics 2D. Polygon collider yet again. You'll see why we're doing this. Because we don't want that to happen. Okay. See, that one matches that one. Perfect. Okay. Next one. Yep. Last one. We're almost home. Almost home. Yeah, see, that's not what we want. We want another polygon collider. Okay. Check that one, and boom, shakalaka laka. Yeah, see? Now, each sprite has their own polygon collider that matches appropriately to the image. Okay, I'm just going to uncheck all of them. Okay, now I'm actually going to set the sprite back to the first one, just because that's the one we wanted to start with. It doesn't really matter, but just do it for now. Okay, let's do this now for, that's right, the spider one. Oh boy. Remember how tricky this one was to set up? Yep, it's not going to be any easier. Okay, so actually we want that one to be our default one, because that's the spider one, whatever. Okay, so we start at 3. We add a physics 2D, we go to polygon collider, and yup, just what I wanted. Okay, now we go to this one. At least it's much easier to do here. Component, physics, Polygon Collider 2D. Yep, that's what I wanted. Next one. Go back up to this one. Component. Yeah, this is very tedious, but it's worth it. Okay. Next one. I want this one. Make sure that you're doing it the exact same order I am. Thanks to me switching the way the spider is facing. Okay. Next one. Okay. Physics 2D. Polygon Collider. Okay. Next one. I believe we only have 2 more to go. Bear with me. Yeah, I see. Okay. Go back to component. Physics 2D. Polygon Collider 2D. Yep, it's matching that. Perfect. And one more. That should be this one. Okay. Physics 2D. Polygon Collider. Yep, matches perfectly. Okay. Everything is unchecked now. Now what we want to do is go back to the script. Open up your spider controller. Okay, give it a second. Okay, where all your all your variable declarations are, we want to add these new serialize field, private Polygon Collider 2D colliders. This is going to be an array of colliders, or Polygon Collider 2D, obviously, as it implies. And we want int current collider index. We're also going to add another method. Doesn't really matter where we add them. And that one's going to be called set colliders for sprite. So what this is going to do is it's going to take a sprite number. It's going to enable or disable, actually, because it's setting it to false. It's going to disable the current collider, get the sprite number, and enable the new sprite. And this is so that it's going to happen between every frame that your image changes, so that the colliders can keep up with each frame change. So we're going to save this now. File, save, and go to Unity. Okay, looks like we got no errors. Perfect. Go to animation. I'm going to make this a little bit bigger. Okay, zoom in more, zoom in more. Okay, whatever. We click this little add thingy. And we're going to do it for set colliders for sprite. Perfect, it's at 0. Awesome. Next one. We're going to click another add. Set colliders. We're going to set this to 1. Perfect. Next one. Collider. Set sprite collider to 2. Perfect. Next one. Set sprite collider to, we're at 3, so make it be 3. 5th frame, because we know it starts at 0. Set collider, and we're going to set it to 4. Awesome. Next one. Set collider, set it to 5. Awesome. One more to go. Set collider, and 6. Perfect. Now, there's something I didn't do, which I'm about to do actually. When we go to Spider Run and Inspector, we actually want to change the size of these colliders to, I believe it was 7 we have. Okay, we're going to press enter. And we're going to drag each of those over. Make sure you don't mix the order up. Very important. Okay. 2 to go. Perfect. So go to animation, try running it. Uh, um, I thought I said pause. I always got stuck with this part. There's actually a way that we can see the colliders are actually changing with each frame, but you'll just have to take my word for it, because I'm not 100% sure how to actually get it to display here. Sometimes it works for me and sometimes it doesn't. Right now, as you clearly saw, it didn't show up, but if we actually we can actually play this. Pause. Um, okay. Now we want to repeat this for our skeleton. So let's go to our script, double click, it opens up. Okay, and I didn't set the variables yet. I'll do that right now. By the way, always feel free to pause the video so you can see the code. But there we go. So I have serialized field, private polygon collider 2D, colliders, private int, current collider index equals 0. Once again, the exact same thing that I was doing before with the other one. And now we gotta save this. Save. And that colliders. Reset it to 7 again. Drag each one over, one at a time. Okay, I think I messed up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, nope, I actually have 8 this time. Okay. Okay. Go to animation. We go there. Same thing. Set collider 0. Okay, that's good. Next one. Set collider. Add an event animation. 1. That's good. Next one. It's a little tedious. Feel free to skip forward past this part if you know what you're doing already and just do it yourself. Until, of course, we're done. One more, or a couple more actually, or just 2 more. Well, we'll see. 7. That should be the last one. Okay. As you can see, the polygon colliders are switching right now. I would actually like it better if it showed more, but you know, this is good enough for now to show my point. Okay. So then, yep. That's that. Alright, that'll conclude the collider tutorial for now. Because we're getting a bit overtime, you know. Well, yeah, we're done for now. See you next time.